watch part 2 right now. So if you did watch part 2, you'll know that I tried out the yacht, but it was too small for me, so I put the raft on top of it to balance on it, and then when I tried it, it worked. So now next up is going to be the shield. So I'm actually home right now. I brought all of this stuff home, and my owner's right over there. So owner, go get some stuff and throw it at me. I don't think he's gonna get me. Throw it at me. At the shield. Did it work? Let's see. Oh, well, it worked. But why is there this white stuff on the shield? Shouldn't it only be red? But what should I do now? I mean, this video is not long enough. It's only 1 minute. What should I do now? Oh, I know. I'll try to break it. Oh, my muscles are so big. Okay, this thing must be indestructible because I could not break it. Like, what's these? What's these? It's a back scratcher. What's these? What's these? Oh my god, it's so good. I'm gonna put it on my back and it's gonna feel so good. Yes. 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 That was so much better. My back has been itching for like a week now. Oh, this makes it so comfortable now. It was so hard to itch. It was so hard to scratch the itch because it was on my back and it wasn't really affecting it. And I was too lazy to keep doing it. Sorry, I just love playing video games, okay? Yes. Yes. Okay, that's starting to hurt. I feel better. Well, I guess I'll end the video right here. Peace, everyone.